Namaskar, Pranam, Sat Sri Akal. Today I will be talking about the difference between an argument and discussion. There is a very big difference, but yet not clearly understood by many of us, mostly youth who participate in different competitive exams in group discussions. So it is very important for them to understand the basic difference between the two. See, in argument, there is a heated discussion. It throws heat. Whereas in a discussion, it is always supposed to be healthy. Light is thrown out. Similarly, in argument, exchanges of ignorance is there. Whereas in discussion, exchanges of knowledge is there. In argument, expression of temper is there. Whereas in discussion, there is expression of logic. In an argument, we try to prove who is right. Whereas in discussion, we try to prove what is right. So, with a narrow mind, with a prejudiced mind and ego, we always land up in an argument with no results. Whereas in a discussion, how we should participate? With open mind, with broad mind. And how we should participate? First of all, we will learn that. We will try to listen to the other people. Listen with patience. Give him full time to speak out his views, his points. Listen carefully. Do not interrupt in between. Do not try to prove him wrong at every point. Treat him with courtesy and respect. Whenever you have some confusion, ask him questions, that too very politely, like, "Sir, why do you think like this? Can you explain me a little bit about this? Can you be more specific?" Like that. Now, whenever you feel or you get a chance, enter the discussion. Enter the discussion at the right point, with right time and right saying. Depth of the knowledge regarding the subject is very much required. You should be flexible at petty things, but not with your principles. Be enthusiastic in your convincing, but not forceful. Do not exaggerate the things. Be specific. Do not make it a prestige issue. Use your strong points, but with soft words. You can use phrases also, like, "I may be wrong," or "It appears to me like this." But remember, if nothing works in discussion, it may be worthwhile to politely, gently, and with courtesy agree to disagree. Did you get my point? Now, even in day-to-day life, I'll like to tell you, always remember, it is impossible to defeat an ignorant person in an argument. There is a saying, never wrestle with a pig. You get dirty, and besides, the pig likes it. So in the last, I'll say, it is very much necessary nowadays to teach children art of speaking and not talking back. Similarly, for adults, it is very important to learn the art of disagreeing without being disagreeable. Thank you. Namaste.